Most guys think they've mastered smart casual. They will say, yeah, I know how to wear a button down with jeans. But here's the reality. The majority of men are still messing it up. Not in obvious ways like showing up in gym shorts to dinner, but in subtle ways that make you look less polished than you could. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 smart casual mistakes you're probably still making, even if you think you're doing it right. And of course, all my smart casual recommendations, the pieces I actually think are worth buying, are linked for you in the description. My name is Umari and I'm here to help you upgrade your everyday style, fast, simple, no fluff. So let's dive in. Mistake 1. Overly relaxed bottoms. We've all been there. You get invited to a friend's birthday dinner, the place is casual but nice, and you think, no problem, I will throw on some jeans. But then you grab the pair with giant rips across the knees. Or even worse, the faded sweatpants you swear can pass for joggers. Suddenly, your outfit went from smart casual to college freshman running late to class. The problem is simple. Bottoms set the tone for everything else. You could be wearing a $200 shirt, but if the jeans are de-stressed, sagging or frayed, the look just collapses. The fix here is also simple. Invest in well-fitting chinos, dark wash denim with no rips, or a clean pair of tailored trousers. Chinos in particular are the unsung heroes of smart casual. They work for grabbing coffee, going on a date, or even casual Fridays at the office. Dark denim is another safe bet. It's relaxed but still structured enough to look intentional. And tailored trousers, well, those are the cheat code. They instantly make any outfit look put together. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with a crooked foundation. The same goes for your outfit. Now you've got the bottoms sorted. But let's talk about the second thing people notice when they see you walk in: your shoes. Mistake 2. Footwear that doesn't match. Here's a universal truth. Men over 30 are judged by their shoes more than they realize. Walk into a dinner party in beat-up sneakers and you might as well announce, I gave up on life halfway through 2020. On the other side, if you show up in shiny black Oxford shoes, you will look like you got lost on your way to a wedding. Shoes are the handshake of your outfit. They tell people how serious you are about presentation. So what should you wear? Minimalist white sneakers that are clean and not covered in grass stains. Loafers are another great option. They walk the line between relaxed and refined perfectly. Chukka boots are a personal favorite because they handle almost any occasion. And if you want something a little more polished, derbies with a casual sole work well too. But here's the kicker. Condition matters more than the shoe itself. A $60 pair of loafers that are clean and cared for will look sharper than $400 designer sneakers that are falling apart. Take 5 minutes once a week to wipe them down. Buy shoe trees if you want to get fancy, because nothing screams I don't care louder than scuffed, dirty shoes under an otherwise sharp outfit. So your bottoms and shoes are locked in. But what about the top half? That's where most men either overdo it or completely under-deliver. Mistake 3. Tops that don't fit the vibe. Here's a scenario. You're going to a rooftop bar. You throw on a stiff business shirt that looks like it came straight out of a finance meeting. Now, you're overdressed. You look like you're about to pitch a PowerPoint, not grab a drink. On the flip side, some guys swing the other direction. Graphic tees, gym tops, or those oversized hoodies that belong on the couch. That's too relaxed and it kills the smart casual balance. The answer is to live in the middle ground. A crisp polo shirt is one of the best options you can own. Button-downs also work. Untucked with jeans for casual dinner, tucked with pants when you want to look more polished, and then there's knitwear. A lightweight merino sweater or a clean crew neck can make you look refined without being overdressed. One detail a lot of guys skip: it's fabric. Two shirts might both be cotton, but one has structure and drapes well, while the other clings like shrink wrap. Always look at how the fabric falls on your body. It's the difference between that guy looks sharp and that guy looks like he just grabbed whatever was clean. Now, you've got clothes, but outfits aren't just about fabric. They are also about the little details, the finishing touches. And that brings us to mistake number 4. Mistake number 4, accessory overload or underload. Accessories are tricky. Some men treat them like Pokemon. They try to collect them all. Rings, chains, bracelets, hats, sunglasses, watches, stacked all at once. It ends up looking more like costume design than style. Then there's the opposite. Guys who never wear any accessories. No watch, no belt, nothing. The outfit ends up feeling unfinished, like a room with bare walls. The best approach here is balance. A nice watch goes a long way. A leather bracelet or a subtle necklace adds interest without screaming for attention. Sunglasses can instantly upgrade a simple jeans and shirt combo. And here's an easy win. Make sure your belt matches your shoes. That's one of those small details people pick up on, even subconsciously. Think of accessories like seasoning in cooking. A little salt makes the dish perfect. Dump the whole shaker in and you've ruined dinner. Now, for the last and probably most important mistake, the one that can ruin even the most expensive outfit. Mistake number 5, bad fit and poor condition. Here's the hard truth. Clothes that don't fit or aren't taken care of will always look cheap. Doesn't matter if you bought them from a luxury brand, if your shirt is pulling at the bottoms or your pants are sagging in weird places, it just looks sloppy. The same goes for condition. Wrinkled shirts, faded jeans, sweaters with tiny holes, these are instant style killers. And let's be honest, most men over 30 have at least one pair of jeans from college that should have been retired years ago. The solution is straightforward. Tailor your clothes if they don't fit right. It's cheaper than buying a whole new wardrobe and makes a massive difference. Iron your shirts. Replace items once they're past their prime. Because at the end of the day, presentation is everything. People won't notice the brand you're wearing, but they will definitely notice if your clothes look sloppy. So now you know the 5 traps. The question is, how many of these are you still making? Smart casual isn't about being perfect. It's about balance. Not too formal, not too sloppy. If you fix these 5 areas, your bottoms, your shoes, your tops, your accessories, and the fit and condition, you will always look sharp without feeling overdressed. And to make it easy for you, I've linked all of my smart casual recommendations right in the description. Thanks for watching. My name is Omari. I wish you as always all the best. Until next time, peace.